It's not always your fault. You think the VA denied your loan? Chances are it wasn't actually the VA. They probably didn't even saw your loan. So let's talk about what really causes VA loan denials in today's market. Getting denied for a VA loan can feel like hitting a wall at full speed. But here's the truth. Most of the time, the problem isn't with your VA eligibility. It's about preparation, packaging, and most importantly, the lender you choose. I'm Jason Wood, the VA loan guy, so let's break down the most common reasons VA loans get denied in 2026 and how you can sidestep those red flags before you ever apply. Now, VA loan denials are rare, but they happen. VA loans actually have one of the highest approval rates of any loan type, but that doesn't mean denials don't happen. And when they do, it's usually due to income that doesn't meet VA standards, issues with credit or documentation, or a property that doesn't qualify. The good news, most of these can be spotted and solved early with the right game plan. So the top reasons for VA loan denials in 2026, let's just get specific here. Here are the top reasons that VA loans are getting denied right now. Number one, low residual income. The VA loan has a unique formula for making sure you can afford life after housing costs. Sounds like a no-brainer, right? But if you're below that threshold, that's a no-go. Number two, unstable or unverifiable income. So freelancers, gig workers, or people with recent job changes may struggle to prove steady income, and that can make an underwriter uneasy about approving a loan. Number three, credit problems. Recent late payments, collections, or a score below lender minimums can trip you up. Even if the VA itself doesn't set a minimum, if your credit is not being managed well, sometimes that can throw a wrench in things. And number four, property issues. VA appraisal says the home doesn't meet minimum property requirements or the value came in low and the buyer didn't contest it. Number five, lender overlays. Many denials come from lenders adding stricter rules than the VA requires, like higher credit scores or no manual underwriting. Number six, poor file packaging, missing docs, miscommunication, or inexperienced loan officers can sink a file that might otherwise be approved. Here's a truth bomb for you. The VA almost never denies your loan. It's the lender. VA sets the baseline, but lenders can add their own rules, and many of them do. That's why who you work with matters more than you think. I'll share with you a story. I had an appraisal denial on a veteran's loan that was denied because the value came in low. So no one told them about Tidewater or reconsideration options, and they lost the deal. Over $7,000 difference in price. Something totally avoidable. Another story, we had a file rescue. So our team salvaged this loan file that another lender was screwing up. Single mom working 1099. She was denied by one of the big box lenders, and our team helped her restructure her income docs, get it pre-underwritten, and we closed a couple weeks later, and we were the brand new lender that saved the day. Another one that was really interesting that we came in and salvaged from another lender is there was overlay confusion. The vet was told he was denied because his score was below 580. The truth is the VA doesn't have a minimum credit score, but the lender's overlay did. Getting a VA loan is like a mission. You don't show up hoping it'll work out. You prep, verify your gear, and you go with plan. Here's how you boost your odds and bulletproof your approval. Number one, pick a VA savvy lender. Myself and my team, we're that VA savvy lender. The experience matters. Find a team that does VA loans every day, not just occasionally. The average loan officer only does 2 to 3 VA loans per year, so they're inexperienced. Pre-underwrite early. If your file is complex, freelance, low credit, past issues, have it reviewed up front before you go house hunting. Get the underwriter's approval early. Don't just lean on the loan officer. Prep your income docs, bank statements, 1099s, contracts if you're self-employed. Get your proof ready. Know where all your documents are. Save them in a folder. Work on your credit early. Pay down credit cards, dispute any errors, and avoid starting new debt. Just own the process. Don't let your agent or your home builder handle everything. Be an active part of the loan process, ask questions, and stay engaged. Want to make sure you don't get denied? We built a free pre-approval readiness checklist for VA buyers. It covers income, credit, documents, and more. Grab your copy at valoanguide.us/ready, or just click the link down below in the comments. And if your situation's a little bit tricky, we do this every single day. Let's hop on a call, create a plan together. Let's go get you a VA loan. You earned it, so let's make sure nothing stands in the way of you using it.